Okay viewers, Sunday the 16th of May 2021 and it's going to be a busy week in Beeland. All our queens that we've got scattered around the area, which I'm about to show you, should all have hatched now. Maybe they've already been out and mated, which would be helpful, and within the week we shall check to see whether we've had success or failure. Now I'm expecting 70% success only, and we've already had one failure, so I'll talk you through where we're at and what this week should hold. Okay, before we get started, just spotted this wasp of the season trying to get in. They can try, but they won't succeed. Right, just to recap, this side here has got the queen from there. This side here should have had one remaining queen cell in it. Checked 2 weeks ago. Turns out I missed some, and as a result we got some cast swarms. So the point we're at now is we should have a queen in there which is mated. I'm going to give them until next week to formally check and confirm yes or no. So that's the first of the numerous queens that we are tracking this week. Okay, in this hive, I checked this week hoping to see a fully mated queen, and I would say it was a failure. So that's one failure, is my finger. So I put some more queen cells in. This is my main area of concern, this side. So moving forward, we need to keep a check on that. Okay, this is swarm number 2 in, I can point that box. Again, they're looking very happy and determined. We'll be checking those during the week to make sure there's an active queen in there that's mated. This is the reserve box, which might be coming to King's Cross if the other one fails. It's staying there just for this week before it finds its space on a permanent stand next to the others. We shall see. Okay, here we are. This is top bar hive number 2, inside which is swarm number 2 from last weekend. What's extremely encouraging is that, first of all, the bees are still here, but secondly, they're pulling in lots of pollen. You can see that on their legs, which usually indicates that there's young bees or eggs, larvae, etc. in the hive. Again, I'm going to formally check next week to make sure we've got a fully mated laying queen, but at the moment everything's looking very promising indeed. The 4th of our cast swarms are in there. I'm feeling pretty confident about that one. They're behaving well. They've had nearly 1 week, so next weekend I'm expecting to see a fully mated queen in there. So we shall see. That's another one to check. That was swarm number 4. In this box, again, same sort of time scale, hoping to see a mated queen in there. The eggs were stolen from this hive, which has got our now famous glove box queen inside. Again, they're due this week as well, so we shall see what the success is on that one. Also in this box, we know we've got a queen. Queen Van Tam's in there, so that one's behaving nicely.